At very respectful po kami sa isa't isa. Binibigyan namin ng space ang bawat isa, pero pag may time na gusto namin magkikwentuhan po kaming lahat, nagte-tent hopping po kami.
I think yung mga ginawa ko lang for me to be more comfortable with this genre is to change my perspective. Kasi usually, di ba pag drama, it's either pag kontrabida ka, parang isa lang yung ng character mo. Dito kasi parang hindi pwedeng gano'n. Yes, you know your character, pero at the same time, kailangan ilalagay, parang nilagay ko rin sa isip ko na, okay, kahit ganito yung character ko, pero baka pwedeng ganito, o baka pwedeng ganito. I have to look at it in a lot of ways, kasi since ganito yung genre, kailangan, hindi mo pwedeng isipin na ikaw yung victim, pwede din isipin mo na baka ikaw yung may kasalanan, o hindi. Alam mo yung ganun. So, the record's telling us na yung nuances, yung look, kailangan as the audience is watching, they will think, okay, my character is Ruth. Ay, si Ruth ganito siya, pero parang yung tingin niya, parang tumingin siya ng ganito, baka naman siya yung siya yung may kasalanan, or siya yung kontrabida or something. So it has to be, kailangan maraming different colors na ilalagay mo sa character mo. So, yun yung in-adjust ko. Yun yung nilagay ko sa nag-offer. Ito.
Next, Miss Jackson. Sir,
thank you. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Yes, I was able to do genre, something like this before, pero sa pelikula. So, dito naman, siyempre, ang ginagawa ko lang is kung ano yung hinihingi ng script, ng character, kung ano yung eksena, doon ko lang ina-apply kung ano yung pumapasok sa aking damdamin. Kasi naman sa dami ng nagawa na natin, I've been in the business for quite some time, so medyo meron na tayong nagawang yung character na ginagawa ko ngayon, meron na akong mga nagawang ganong character. So, kung ano man yung minsan napupulot ko dun sa ibang characters na nagawa ko dati, pinapasok ko lang dito.
Thank you po, Sir Gordon. Steve.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I'm really excited to be here with this beautiful cast. And para sa akin po, para naganda ako, nung sinabi nila sa akin yung aking character, yung role ko, meron akong notebook, sinulat ko lahat ng nakita ko sa script tungkol sa character ko, at gumawa pa ako ng napakahabang kwento tungkol sa kanya. Binasa ko yun. And for me kasi, yung acting is really, as everybody said, it's really storytelling. So, binibigyan ko ng buhay yung character ko dahil na rin sa mga karanasan ko noon. Tapos, ang tagal ko na rin wala sa showbiz. And I'm back, so this is my comeback actually. Pwede palakpak naman dyan ng konti. Thank you so much. So, yung paghahanda, palagay ko handang-handa na ako kasi napakatagal kong nagpahinga. So, para sa akin, everything is new. And when it's new, it's really exciting. So, I'm looking forward to every week, to every moment of our time together. Plus, the friendship that is being built as we go along. And I'm really feeling so good right now because everybody's so kind to me and to all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Kalmado po kasi ang lahat. Lalo, kumbaga, ang namumuno po sa amin, si Direk Zig, ay napakakalmado pong tao. So, tapos yung EP po namin, na nasa field din, at post din namin, na si Ms. Michelle Borja, ay isa pa pong napakakalmado rin pong tao. Ang aming lahat, the crew, the production staff, even the PAs, utility, lahat po kalmado. So ikaw, pag medyo maingay ka, or pasaway ka, or meron kang something, ikaw lang yung odd one. So ikaw yung maiilang. Kasi po talagang napaka-quiet and very happy. at very respectful po kami sa isa't isa. Binibigyan namin ng space ang bawat isa, pero pag may time na gusto namin magkikwentuhan po kaming lahat, nagte-tent hopping po kami. Diba? Para po, to communicate, chika-chika, and all. So, masaya, napakasaya. Ako personally, isa po ito sa napakamasayang set. Nasa set or nasa mga tent namin, itong mga artistang kasama po, sobra ko pong na-appreciate silang lahat. So, at na-appreciate ko po yung grupo. Ako personally. So, yun po. Diba? Kaya huwag ka muna mamatay!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Of course, maraming salamat sa GMA for trusting me with this role. Pero more than anything talaga, sa bawat set na pinupunta ko, sa bawat character ko, it's always that same approach na I will do my best to understand the character and not judge him. To be able to portray a character kasi, you have to accept it fully. So, in-accept ko si Paco Palacios ng fully dito, although sobrang halos hindi ako makapag-relate sa ugali niya. So, yung approach na ginawa ko this time, tulad ng sinabi niyo para magkaroon ng marka, which is up to the writers naman. Personally, what I did was my very best talaga. And ang weird kasi ng psychological complications ni Paco eh. So, I had to study up on some psychology para lang mag-gets ko kung bakit ganun ang tipong reaction ng isang klaseng tao na tulad ni Paco Palacios. So, I think sa 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 weeks na kasama ko sa show, I believe na I portrayed Paco in a way na feeling ko hindi niyo siya makakalimutan. Gusto ko sabihin na ikwento kung paano, pero more than anything, I think you have to watch and judge for yourself kasi medyo bias kung magagaling sa akin eh. So I invite all of you to check it out kung paano kaming lahat kakaiba sa mga roles namin sa show na to. So, yeah, with that, thank you so much.
When I accepted the role, I think the writing was on the wall, in the title, Widow's War. When they said na husband ako ni Carla, I saw the title, Widows. Parang I accepted my fate. Can't fight that, diba? But to make it memorable, just prepare. I think the writers did a really great job, especially with Bassett. I had so much fun playing on set. Sama si Bea, si Carla. First time to work with Direk Zig on a soap. Nakalalay naman sila eh. So you really don't have to, as long as you're present, as long as you prepared your lines and you come in with what you're equipped with, gumaganda siya sa set. Lagi kami I think that's the best word where we get to play on set. At I think everyone here has probably a good career in writing as well. Kasi nga, I don't think we've had a scene na ang lumabas doon na dialogue ay nandun sa papel. I think everyone has been able to make it their own. And ang daming mga lines na wala sa papel. Maraming nuances, sabi nga dito na wala sa papel. And again, what's war without death? So, we're honored to be the ones to go first. But you never know. There's a lot more to come, guys. Marami pang mawawala. There's, what's more without death and some blood. So, anyone here is up on the chopping block.